Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out the best welding helmets for the money. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you're looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Dekopro Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. Equipped with a standard-sized viewing screen and a shade variability that only ranges from 9 to 13, the bottom position on our list is filled by the Dekopro DX850E. It is budget-friendly, a fact reflected in its minimal feature set. While the stated shade range is 9 to 13, in reality, it feels more like 10 to 11. This mask doesn't seem to offer enough shade variability to make any light conditions favorable. Worse, this is the only helmet on our list that doesn't offer a way to install a cheater lens. It is powered by a 3-volt CR2450 lithium battery and a solar cell that transforms sunlight to power to yield up to 5,000 hours of battery life. The best feature on this mask is its ability to charge using solar power, saving you batteries. However, our number 2 pick offers solar power in the same price range with a more robust group of features and higher reliability. This welding helmet provides a viewing area of 7 square inches. It provides stunning 5,000 hours of battery life, 4 sensors, and an adjustable headband. However, you shouldn't expect high-end performance, as shade fluctuations may occur. In addition, grind mode button is located inside, which is really frustrating. Number 2. Yeswelder Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. Yeswelder welding products are known for providing good value for the money. This welding helmet has many of the features found on more expensive models and boasts the largest viewing area of any we considered. Colors are good, if not exceptional, and while 1/1/1/2 optical clarity isn't perfect, it is still to a professional standard. The True Color lens offers pretty accurate color transmission. But, more expensive brands do provide a better visual experience. Still, Yeswelder offers a good optical clarity rating and color accuracy at a relatively low price. Auto-darkening speed is 1/10,000 seconds, which is slower than some but still perfectly safe. Controls for shade, delay, sensitivity, and grinding mode are all on the outside of the helmet and designed to be used with gloved hands. The headgear is comfortable and does the job very well. Still, the only downside is the headgear quality, so it might fall apart quickly, so you will eventually have to change it in the future. Yeswelder welding helmet lacks the construction quality of leading brands, it is heavier than many, and the headgear could be more supportive. Nevertheless, the combination of low price and a competitive feature set makes it one of the best welding helmets for the money available. Number 3. Tooliom Flip-Up Welding Helmet. Despite so-called clear view technologies, many welders will still lift their welding hood to inspect their work, or to do a quick bit of filing or sawing. While all welding helmets provide this facility, the raised portion makes movement awkward. The Tooliom Flip-Up helmet offers a quick and easy alternative, with just the lens section lifting out of the way. Specifications for the Tooliom Flip-Up are on a par with many other budget models. Optical clarity is rated as 1/1/1/2. True Color technology has improved color accuracy over previous models, though there is still a slight blue/green tint. Reaction time is 1/10,000 seconds. Controls are straightforward, though the manual dials lack the precision of digital displays. A knob adjusts sensitivity and delay setting, and the quick grind switch disables auto-darkening function when working outdoors. Some users have experienced random flashing despite adjusting the delay time for auto-darkening. Although the flip-up section does reduce screen size, it is still larger than most passive welding helmets. It's also a little heavier than most, but the headgear provides adequate support. Given the low cost, the Tooliom Flip-Up welding helmet is an interesting option for beginners or those who only weld occasionally. Number 4. Antra Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. Antra Welding's Auto-Darkening Helmet is the best welding helmet for the money. The solar-powered feature of this helmet means you won't have to constantly worry about battery levels before getting to work. In addition, it might be an ideal upgrade from the mask with quality fixed shade lens for just a fraction of the cost of more elaborate helmets, and it is one of the best welding helmets in the price range, which makes it a great choice. It lets you adjust the delay time and sensitivity of the arc sensors. Being so lightweight makes this helmet much more comfortable when wearing it for long periods of time. With variable shade levels from 5 to 13, you'll be equipped to work in any light conditions, with any type of welding. Plus, the interference suppression technology works to stop false triggering caused by light sources other than your welding. However, keep in mind that at this price range, you shouldn't expect an industrial-grade helmet. This budget welding helmet is made of thin plastic, and a headgear might break apart quickly. Molten metal can burn through cheap construction easily, so I don't recommend it for overhead welding. Number 5. Jackon Translight 555 Welding Helmet. The Translight Plus 555 is a relatively new welding helmet from Jackson Safety. So, it hasn't proven itself over many years like other helmets from Miller, Lincoln, ESAB, or Auto-Darkening. But, it's inexpensive, supports true color technology, and comes from a reputable brand. With this hood, you get an extensive view area that matches Lincoln's Viking 3350, which improves light transmission, especially with a 1/1/1/1 optical rating. Additionally, the Translight Plus is rated for TIG welding down to 3A. So, unless you do meticulous, fine work, the helmet will trigger the ADF. The shell and ADF are relatively light, considering the size of the filter lens. But, the headgear is too light. A basic headgear design helps when you reach inside the helmet to adjust the ADF, but it also makes the helmet less comfortable. The Miller Digital Infinity and the Lincoln Viking have more adjustability and offer a better fit. Also, this helmet has an external combo grind button with a dial around it. The dial is an external adjustment for your shades, which is handy. But, the external grinding button is too small, and the ring around a small button in the center means it's too easy to hit the dial and unintentionally change your shade setting. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, do comment and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you on the next video.